Alright, so Ricky repairs back it again. As you can see, the brake lights are out. This one's working. This one works. And this one doesn't. Alright, just gonna replace the little light bulb. Center one right here. Alright, so there's two bolts holding it inside. Let me show you real quick. This one. There's another one right here. That one right there. So the size for those two is a 10mm. Just gonna remove them. Or you could use your ratchet or a wrench, whatever works. So I'll go ahead and loosen it. Just gonna remove it by hand. Second one. And there's a third one right there, all the way in the back. Alright, just gonna remove this too. Alright, so I already loosened them. Just gonna get the last one. Let's get the last one. As I mentioned, I already loosened them. Go to remove it by hand. After that, let's go ahead and pull it out. Just give it a little wiggle. Just come up right off. Alright, just gonna remove the light bulb. Alright, just gonna remove it. So the light bulb that's out is this one right here. The center one. Just gonna give it a little twist. It's this light bulb right here. Just give it a little twist. It should come right off. Just go ahead and reinstall the new one. Same thing. Just gonna reinstall the new one. Give it a little twist so it can lock in. I just try to pull it out, it won't come out. So you know it's back in. Alright, just gonna test it before we install it. 3, 2, 1. You can see now it's working again. Alright, just gonna reinstall it. See how it's that? It's gonna twist, it's locked back in. Alright, let's go ahead and align this. This other one right here in the corner. This bottom right here. Those two. Center one right here. And the one in the very corner. This one. I'm just gonna reinstall it. Let's go ahead and align it. Alright, so there you have it. Just gonna tighten the bolts. The thread in the back right here. I'm just gonna get the back one. It's really tight right there. The last one right there. Alright, just go to hand tighten it first. Right, so once your hand tighten it, go ahead and tighten it with your ratchet. First thing I'm gonna do is hand tighten them all. Just go ahead and get the last one. The last one's right here. After that, you can go ahead and tighten it with your ratchet. Okay, so once you tighten it, it's gonna reinstall this little cover. So go ahead and tap it in there. Wrong side. So there you have it. Alright, I'm just gonna check the new lights now. Alright, as you can see now they're both working. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, Alright, so they're both working now. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.